Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar and I am here to present our major project titled MediLink Connecting Doctor and Patient. This project is the result of collective teamwork and effort. I would like to introduce my teammates Anurag Gupta, who worked as a front-end designer, Asutosh Pandey, who worked for database, Abhishek Kumar, me, who worked for the backend, and Abhishek for documentation and deployment. So, this is the index of our PPT where we are going to present problem statement, introduction, related works, literature survey, proposed system, implementation of core modules, challenges and limitation, and finally conclusion. So here is the problem statement. Managing healthcare appointments is often insufficient, leading to missed booking, schedule conflict, and poor communication between patients and doctors. So this is the introduction of our project. So we are going to connect doctor and patient remotely via virtual consultation, reduce long wait time and eliminate geographical barriers, offer easy appointment scheduling through a user-friendly interface, enable secure and private communication between doctors and patients, benefit patient in remote and unprivileged area by providing them service. So efficient healthcare delivery relies on timely communication and appointment management. MediLink is designed to overcome the flaws of traditional scheduling system by introducing real-time communication via Twilio SMS, doctor-patient coordination through a dashboard, healthcare device data integration for real-time insights, and enhanced UX with Next.js and backend and authentication powered by Appwrite. So this will be the UI for our project for the registered users and for the new users. Now, we are going to tell you about the related works about our projects. So, Practo and MFin have shown early success in telemedicine but lack open integration with external healthcare device. Government platform like eSanjeevani offer teleconsultation, yet they struggle with real-time notification. Well, Twilio has been successfully used for SMS-based patient engagement in a small-scale healthcare application. Open source platform like OpenEMR provide comprehensive EMR feature but require extensive setup and have a step learning curve. So MediLink stand out by combining modern web technologies like Next.js, TypeScript with real-time communication and device syncing. This is the literature survey where existing system, most hospital management systems lack real-time notification and device integration. So challenges identified. Manual scheduling prone to errors. Poor doctor-patient flow up. Lack of real-time health updates and lack of integration. So here we are come with the solution, SMS and mobile-based intervention. Studies show that SMS reminders significantly reduce missed appointments. According to 2020 meta-analysis in JMIR, appointment attendance increased by 20 to 30% with SMS reminders. And modern web technologies in healthcare platform. Technologies like Next.js, Typescript, and TailwindCSS are ideal for scalable platforms. However, they are rarely applied in healthcare due to regulatory constraints and institutional inertia. Recent advance use of Twilio for SMS alert in clinically application, integration of wearable in digital health platforms. So, MediLink provides a modern web-based solution that allow patients to register, book, cancel, and manage appointments. Provides doctor with a real-time dashboard to view, schedule, and communicate. Send SMS notification for confirmation, reminders, and updates. Connect the health care devices to fetch live health data. So system architecture. So for the front end, we have used Next.js, Typescript, and for the back end, we use Appwrite, and for message, Twilio for SMS alert, and data sync integration with IoT and healthcare devices. So this would be the flow of our project. Here we are starting with the patient, that how a new patient and how a registered patient are going to interact with the system and with our uh, website. So here is the flow, how the doctors and how the patient are going to connect with each other. And now now I am going to tell you about software requirement analysis. First, I am going to tell you about functional requirements. First is patient registration and login. Second is appointment booking and cancellation. Third one is doctor schedule management. Fourth one is real time messaging and reminder. And fifth is health device data syncing. And there are some non functional requirements as well, like high availability. The system must be operational 24/7 to support critical healthcare access without downtime. Responsive design. The user interface should be mobile friendly and accessible on various devices and screen sizes. Data privacy and security. All patients and doctor data must be encrypted and protected against unauthorized access or breach. Scalable for multiple clinic and hospital. Now I'm going to tell you about the major modules and their functionality. First one is user authentication. For any system, for any website, authentication is one of the most important part. So ensuring a secure and reliable login system for both patients and doctor using real role-based access control. This module handles registration, login, password recovery, and session management, ensuring only authorized user can access appropriate features. Now, I'm going to tell you about appointment management, providing a seamless interface for patients to view available time slots, book new appointment, and cancel or reschedule with a few clicks. The system also allows syncing with personal calendars like Google Calendar and ensures appointment conflicts are prevented through real time validation. Now I am going to tell you about Doctor Dashboard, a centralized panel for doctor to manage their availability, view upcoming appointments, and access patient history. This is the notification system. If you put your email ID and mobile number, then this module automate communication by sending SMS alert for appointment confirmation, rescheduling, delay, and reminders. This is the previous record management. For any hospital, for any doctor, previous record management is one of the most important features and maintain a complete history of patient appointment, diagnosis, and treatment plans in a structured format. This module allow doctor to access past record of a patient and supporting better continuity for healthcare and informed decision making. So, why upgraded application is required? What are the flaws in traditional system? The first flaw is scalability issue. Second one is poor performance and speed issue. Third is lack of scalability, limited device and OS compatibility. And fifth one is outdated user interface. This is the software design diagram. This is a class diagram which tells you about how the patient and doctor are going to interact. This is the sequence diagram of our project. This is the ER diagram that how a doctor and patient are going to connect, how each and every patient are going to be distinguished based on patient ID and how different doctors are distinguished based on doctor IDs. Here is the use case diagram that how a user, how a patient can going to interact with the system, how the person is going to use the system, and how the doctor are going to view the available slots. And we conducted the satisfaction poll as well. And here's the pie chart, which shows how many people are satisfied with online booking system or online consultation. And we got to know that 60% people are satisfied, 20% give neutral reaction, but 20% are dissatisfied. Here are the implementation of the core modules and how like overall code of our project. And now, but there are some challenges and limitation of the system as well. First one is data privacy and security, ensuring patient information is encrypted and compliant with healthcare regulation, integration with medical devices, real-time data syncing with diverse IoT health devices may face compatibility issue. User adoption, patient and doctor may be hesitate to shift from traditional system to a tech-based platform. And internet dependency. Efficient use require stable internet connectivity, which may not be available in rural areas. So, scalability and maintenance. Supporting multiple clinic and growing user base demands constant performance and optimization and server scaling. So, finally, we are come to the conclusion of our project. So, MediLink addresses key issue in traditional healthcare system like poor communication and inefficient appointment handling through a smart, modern web-based platform by integrating real-time messaging, secure doctor-patient interaction, and IoT-based health monitoring. And here are the references of our project that we have taken from the internet, the help that we taken from the internet. So this is the overall project that we did. Thank you so much. And now we are going to demonstrate the live project for you. So this is the first UI of our system where it will take the name, email address, phone number, and date of birth, and gender address, the basic details of our patient. And here it will take the patient record and the Aadhaar card authentication system. And this is for the new appointment, like person who is not already registered can easily come to this platform and can register themselves. And here the person can select the preferred doctor with whom a person want to be treated. And now here, the expected appointment dates a person can fix for themselves. And appointment reason, a person can little bit explain about the problem, whatever they're facing. Like here, I'm going for the regular checkup. And comment and notes, if you have something, then you can add it. And now we can submit appointment. So finally, your appointment request has been successfully submitted. So this data will be directly reflected to the doctor dashboard. So your doctor, Dr. Ivan Peter, will get to know about this appointment that you want appointment for this date.